What you have written Sindhuri by what is that?
Sindhuri by Cosmic Sutta.
Nice. Satya Elevation, can you send the link to the group? In school group, I have, as ma'am, yes. Nishant, good evening. Ma'am, link. Ma'am, okay, thank you. Children, some typical questions we are going to do. One question is there, take care of that question. Try and solve this question. Yes, everyone, good evening. My voice is audible. Am I audible? Fine. Okay. Okay, fine. We'll start the work, please. Okay. Now listen. In trigonometry, different type of questions are there. Why I am targeting trigonometry first? Because okay, fine. That's very good. You people are there. See, why I am targeting trigonometry? Because trigonometry is that section from where typical question will come. Okay, and if you solve it very carefully, means 100%. Trigonometry, application of trigonometry and trigonometry will give you desired scores, means 16-15 marks is in your hand, and then easily with this sections you will do. Okay, so now what we are going to do is we'll start our work. One question is there, CBSE set sample set question. Come on, children. This question try and solve, and your question is this is 2019. Old is gold. Remember this part, old question, but 100%. Yes. So this is exactly ready. So we will solve this question. Try this question now. Question is 1 plus cot theta plus tan theta. After this surface area and volume, I am starting. 1 plus cot theta plus tan theta in bracket. Next part write down sin theta minus cos theta by secant cube theta minus cosecant cube theta, and your time starts now, and you have to prove it equal to sin square theta minus cos square theta. See, this is that question. Come on. Who will trust? Night 11 o'clock, we people are this much. 9 o'clock, we people are this much active. Correct. Chalo, we'll start the work, please. Kindly prove it. Sorry. Kindly prove it. And your time starts now. Chalo, come on, go. Go for it. Okay, try it. Get ready, please. Start practicing. Nishi, Vishwa gave you. She can't take that if you don't. Gift everyone, no problem. I gave one small work. Try this question. Otherwise, after that I will solve. Don't worry about it. Good work. I kept this session live, open for everyone. Jotam, whatever wrong, right, solve. Convert it into sine and cos. Any idea coming in your brain will start solving. Don't sit idle. Just think what and all you can do. Think what and all you can do. Come out. Maha, everybody, inform in the group, yeah. First inform in the group, everyone. Live is trucking. How live is trucking? It should not struck. Chance ಇಲ್ಲ. It will not struck. No. Come on, let's see. We are going to solve the question. Check this one out. See, look here. When this type questions are given, what brain we are going to apply to solve the question, just to check this one out. See, here now LHS we will take, and in LHS section, it will become 1 plus cos theta by sin theta minus plus sin theta by cos theta, then and then it will become sin theta minus cos theta. Then denominator part is secant and cosecant. That is something which is going to struck. Okay. But we know one formula, and that formula is x cube minus y cube formula. Don't leave that formula. That formula is x cube minus y cube is equal to x minus y, x squared plus y squared plus xy. Understood? So this formula we can use. The Pashpani hai. This formula we can use. I hope you might have understood. If we will use this formula means somewhat we will come out of the situation. Understood or not? So Ishrat is there in the group, please. Now look at it. It will become what? Secant theta minus cosecant theta. Now here it will become secant square theta plus cosecant square theta plus secant theta into cosecant theta. See, pain is only for one section. We will be able to take it out. Just understand. Okay, very good, Ishrat. See, this was the biggest problem. Till here now we did it. After this, we don't have to do very big work because major transformation work is done. Trust me. This is the major work we need to do. Now here the major section work is done. Now after this what we are going to do. So now please take care and see here. So after this we will write sine and cos is there, now we will multiply. So it will become sine theta into cos theta plus this will multiply cos square theta plus this will multiply sine square theta by sin theta into cos theta. Have patience. Till this level you reach means sin theta minus cos theta. And denominator part, this part secant will become 1 by cos theta and this one will become 1 by sin theta. 1 by sin theta. Now it's time for correction. Now secant square theta can be written as tan theta, cos square theta will become 1 minus. We will not do any unwanted work. Secant is there and cosecant. Sorry. Wait. Here I go. Hi Divya, nice to see you. Now look here, cosecant square theta, and here one thing is missing now, plus secant theta into cosecant theta. Now we will convert everything in sine and cos format. Everything we will convert in sine and cos format. Let's check this one out. So it will become 1 by cos square theta plus 1 by sine square theta plus 1 by cos theta into 1 by sine theta. I hope you might have understood this one. So now till here it is done. Sarvana, everybody, yes, good evening. Don't say me good night, just good evening. Good morning. My sessions will be like this only, good morning session only. Starting Nishi? Huh? Bring another notebook. See, when you solve till here, next part what we are going to do here is direct formula we are going to use. So here, this is looking very massive, LHS section. Now look here, we'll release it. How we are going to release it? See, cross multiplication we will do one by one. This is the last step. See, in trigonometry now, two major steps are coming. After that, the story is coming very easy. So first is believe. If you believe you can do it, means 100% you will do it. So now look here. This will be as it is. Sin theta into cos theta plus 1. Done. And here sin theta minus cos theta. I converted sin square theta plus cos square theta as 1. Now here, this is major one. Now here it is sin theta into cos theta. No disturbance. Denominator part only we need to check. It will come sin theta minus cos theta by it will come sin theta into cos theta. But after that, cross multiplication. Everything. Trust me. Here it will go and multiply this. It will go and multiply with this. Correct now? And one will multiply with sin theta and cos theta. So here it will become. Check this one out. It will become sin square theta plus cos square theta plus sin theta into cos theta by sin square theta into cos square theta. Done. Now it is a by b, c by d because it is in fraction. Numerator part is in fraction, denominator part is in fraction. So we will keep fraction numerator, opposite denominator will write. So here what we are going to write? It will become sin theta into cos theta plus 1, and here it is coming as sin theta minus cos theta by sin theta into cos theta. Here this will go up, it will become sin cube theta into cos cube theta. Beta, because sin theta into sin square theta, what it will become? Sin cube theta. Cos theta into cos square theta, what it will become? Cos cube theta. Understood? Now denominator part, so now this part will become 1. Now here it will become sin theta minus cos theta, and here it is 1 plus sin theta into cos theta. So this and this will get cancelled, this and this will get cancelled. Now you have sin cube theta into cos cube theta by sin theta into cos theta. After cancellation, it is coming as sin square theta into cos square theta, and that equal to RHS. I rest my case. That's it. Live is lagging. It must not lag. It's coming correctly only. Wait, I'll check one time. No, it's not lagging. Check because one phone is in my hand and I'm checking that. Both I'm checking. Sometimes, little bit we can take care. Please kindly practice this. Write important question and practice these questions. So most typical unwanted questions is in our hit list, and we'll definitely solve the question. See, look here. Patience is needed. Formula command is needed. After that, nothing is impossible. Mathematics is not tough until and unless we know how to solve it. Is you understood? Now practice this question. In home, you need to practice this. Already in life, we have discussed. So now we are going to go for one another typical questions because see, from applications, question level will be different. This level different. Okay. Jutam, can you practice? Question write down, please. Right next question. All typical questions first we will solve that came in CBSE board examination. After that only. One question is there. We have already solved this type questions. Now go for it. Are you writing? Anybody's writing? Done? Now look here. Your question is this part questions you have solved before itself, but we need to solve like this. This angle questions you will solve that I know. Hmm. Cos of a plus 2b is equal to 0. This is equation 1. Next part, right? Cos of b minus 2a equal to root 3 by 2, equation 2. Find a. Come on. Try solve this question. You have to find angle A and B. Like this much time taking to solve this question. Fine, take no problem. Anyone came with solution? Means answer. Solution coming correct or wrong, that is different. But at least anyone came with solution means it is okay. What? A is equal to 6 degree, B is equal to 42 degree. Yashwant, you have checked nicely. What? Solved? A is equal to 6 coming. B is equal to 42. Okay, let's check this one. A is 6 coming, B is 42. We will first do this one. We know that cos A plus 2B is equal to cos 90 degree. So here A plus 2B is equal to 90 degree. This will become your equation 3. Now parallelly I am writing here cos of B minus 2A is equal to cos 30 degree. B minus 2A, I don't know yaar, these people are getting these like answers. So this will become 4. So here we will multiply here one step work. Now look here. Multiplying equation 3 by 2 and adding with equation 4. Done. So we'll do like that. Darshni also saying same thing. Let's check this one out. That means something is there. B minus 2A is equal to 90 degree. And here it will become this. We have multiplied 2 now. So it will become plus 2A. And here it will become 4B is equal to forty-two degree. Okay. 42 degree. A plus 2 into 42 degree is equal to 90. So A is equal to 90 minus 2 is equal to 2 by 2. Very good. So A is coming as 6 degree and 42 degree. What 30? Huh? 30, I don't know, but it came like that only. It came. Check one time. 6 degree, A value is coming as 6 degree, B value is coming as 190 is there, yeah. How it will be? 90 into 2 if you will do means how much it will come? 180 degree will come. Maha, I'm just checking one time, yeah, wait. Yeah, correct. Good. Can we go for next question? So like this question solving means 100% you will be needing some this, otherwise it will not be some. One last question is there, typical questions of trigonometry. After that application of trigonometry we will start. Question is x is equal to this, everybody solve. Okay, patience with patience solve. X is equal to a sin theta. In tomorrow exam or day after tomorrow exam if we are seeing means it's y is equal to b cos theta. Then after that, write the value of b square x square plus a square y square. Come on, start. And your time starts now. Hello? Time. Try. Fine. I'll solve the question, please. X square is equal to a square sine square theta. Y square is equal to b square cos square. Done? Because x is equal to a sin theta, so this value is there. Correct? Squaring. I squared. What given? We have squared it. So this was given means equation 1 and equation 2. This was given and this was given. So we did like that. Huh? Now we will substitute here. Correct? So here what work will be there? Because x square can I substitute as, see if x square I am substituting, it will become a square sin square theta. Now b square, if I am substituting, a square is as it is. Now here it will become b square cos square theta. So a square cos square theta. Now here it is coming as a square b square sin square theta plus cos square theta. Value is coming as sin square theta, cos square theta will become 1. So this is what they are asking. Actually, the question will not be tough. The question will be tricky. Means it will bound you to think. The most important thing is it will force you to think. Correct only, Maha? I just checked this one out. It's correct only, no problem. It will force you to think. Means it's not like that you will be exactly unable to do this, that. It will force you to think. It will tell you, it will drag you to, okay, fine, you come in that rhythm and solve the question. Are you all ready for surface area and volume? Ready? Because one last question, 2020 question is left that I really wish you people to solve. Ready? Fine. Question is, get ready. 2, okay. 2, go for it. Sine 6 theta plus cos 6 theta minus 3 sin 4 theta plus cos 4 theta plus 1 equal to 0. Prove it. Prove it. You can do it. Try this question. Try this question. I checked, Kritika. Can I solve? But 90 degree you are substituting and proving. That is hit and trial method. You're not supposed to do hit and trial method. If LHS is equal to RHS given, you need to be a little careful for that. Otherwise, they'll punch you. You want to prove this. Give. A direct method. First principle they told to prove or direct they told? Oh, so this is not first principle. Who told this is first principle? First principle is this one. Limit s tends to 0. Sine of x plus h plus 1 minus sine of x plus 1. Sin c minus sin d formula. Apply. No. For MCQ you can use degree. That's another thing. For MCQ you can use degree, but here proof means LHS is equal to RHS when given this. You're not subjected to use that. Sorry. I'll solve. Let's see. I'm only going to solve. So now look here. LHS part is what given. See, first thing is substitution work will be is second part. First we will solve the first section. Here LHS I'm going to take. First I'm going to shift it here. Come. Now look here. Square outside. Seriously, you need little type of punching from me. Fully unwanted answer you have written, and that is fully wrong. That's fully wrong. Be very careful. Miss, nice comedy you have done, yaar. Monkey. But I'll solve it. Govinda, Govinda. I am Govinda, Govinda. I am gone only. What was that? 6 came out, 2 times written. Means maths is running because of you. Because of that only your madam is dead. Idiot. Now look here. Here cube is another Paityam spoken. Now listen. Here cube is there. Check this one out. LHS first we will write. Here it will become sine square theta outside 3 plus cos square theta outside 3. If nicely not practiced now, I will take square inside, out cube outside. What you will do? Do. I will do like that. Now look here. Minus 3 sine 4 theta plus cos 4 theta. Okay. So now here a cube plus b cube formula, what it will become? A plus b. After that, sine square theta whole square plus cos square theta whole square minus sine square theta into cos square theta minus 3 sine 4 theta plus cos 4 theta. Done. Now this section will become what? 1. So this part is multiplied, this total section is multiplied with 2. So now this will become 2 sine 4 theta plus cos 4 theta minus sine square theta into cos square theta minus 3 sine 4 theta minus 3 cos 4 theta. Done? Okay. And here plus 1 is there. I missed plus 1. Okay. So now game is in our hand. This will multiply, it will become 2 sine 4 theta plus 2 cos 4 theta minus 2 sine square theta into cos square theta minus 3 sine 4 theta minus 3 cos 4 theta plus 1. Now look at it. This and this, it will become what? Minus sine square theta. This and this, it will become minus cos square theta minus 2 sin square theta into cos square theta plus 1. Now magic is this only, minus you take common, it will become sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta. Sorry. Here is sin 4 theta, cos 4 theta, cos square theta. So here sin square theta, cos square theta plus 1 plus 1. So this one will become minus sin square theta plus cos square theta whole square plus 1. So sin square theta plus cos square theta whole square plus 1. So this part will become 1. So minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0 is equal to LHS, RHS. I rest my case. Done? Shall we go for next question, please? Okay. I'm moving in. Sorry. Okay, noted. Shall we go for next question, please? So now we are going to go for the next part.
Yes.
Here also something waste is there. I need to keep that also. Okay, fine. Not for you, yeah. One quick thing, like in 100 meters.
Question. This one how exceed already.
Now look here. Question is, two palm trees are of equal height and are standing opposite to each other on either side of the building. So two palm trees are there. This is tree number 1 and this is tree number 2. So palm tree number 1 and tree number 2 of equal height. Okay. So this height is h. This height is also becoming h. So both the palm trees are of equal height. Understood? After that, what it is there that and which is 80-meter wide. So definitely distance between them is 80 meter. 80 meter. Done. After that, what they're telling that from a point O between them on a river, the angle of elevation of the top of it is 60 and 30 respectively. So one is coming as 60 degree, one is coming as 30. Okay, distance between them is 80. That's fixed. Next is find the height of the tree and the distance of the point from the tree. So definitely they want height of tree and distance. Definitely distance of tree from that point. So if we will put it as A, B, C, D, E, this much is there. So if we will take one as x, if we will take one part as x, another part we have to find. So here this one we will take it as x meter. Then this part will become 80 minus x meter. Done. So if one we are taking it as x meter, another one will come as 80 minus x. So once we have done one part as x and second part is 80 minus x, we can do one work. We will take this one. So in triangle EAB, right angle at B, tan 30 degree is equal to perpendicular height by x. So 1 by root 3 is equal to h by x. X is equal to root 3h. Equation 1. Done. X is equal to root 3x. Second part is in triangle DCB. DCB. So what we are going to write? Tan 60 degree is equal to h by 80 minus x. So it will become root 3 is equal to h by 80 minus x. So it will become root 3 80 root 3 minus root 3x is equal to h. This will become equation 2. Now x part we will substitute here. Look here sir, here only the story is there. Substituting x is equal to root 3h from equation 1 in equation 2. Understood? So from equation 1 we are shifting to equation 2. This one became, see look here only, I am going to substitute x value, here this x value, okay. So it will become 80 root 3 minus root 3 into root 3h is equal to h, correct? So here it will become 3h is equal to h. So 80 root 3 is equal to 4h. So h is equal to 80 root 3 by 4. H is equal to 20 root 3. Height came. Now clear? Height came. So height is this much. Now what is x? X is equal to 20 root 3 into root 3. X is equal to 3 into 20, 60 meter distance. That's it. One distance will be 60, another distance will be 20. So what will be AB? AB is equal to 60 meter. BC will be 80 minus 60, that is 20 meter. I hope everybody understood. Clear? Done? Okay, you did not solve this answer. Kritika, okay. Maha, understood. Fine, good. Nice. Benzita, understood? This is a good question. Please kindly solve like this type questions coming means you should be see trigonometry related case study coming means angle understanding, value understanding, solving section has to be very clearly defined. Understood? If you are unable to define, then only problem will come. But you should be very clear. Like, fine, I have to solve this. Means I should be very clear in that concept. Understood? So this part must be done very nicely. I hope till here it is clear. Is it clear? Hmm. See, like this type of case study questions now, case study 5. Come on, go with this case study 5. Try read this part. We need to solve these type questions. Get ready. Morning class, what time, sir? I'll do one thing. 4 o'clock I will start. Better. I'll start 4 o'clock. Ah, Ashish, this is place, rooming place. 49, 40 minute of class is over. You are telling and coming high, ma'am. 4 o'clock morning, you are ready to study. Huh? Gadisar Lake is located in Jaisalmer district of Rajasthan. It was built by King of Jaisalmer and rebuilt by Ghazi Singh in 14th century. The lake has many chhatris. The lake is having many chhatris. One of them is shown as below. I think this is the chhatri. Means I think, can you see here A written? And can you see here B? Okay. So I think this location is A. Wait, we need to recollect this information. They have given one dot here, and this is C. They have given one dot here, it is written A. They have given one dot here, it is written as B. Come on. Fine. Shall we dot match the dots? After that, we'll see what will happen. But we match the dots. Actually, it is coming like this. This is A given, this is B given, and this is C. So this may become the baseline, road will become the baseline. Okay, this is exactly perpendicular, this is perpendicular, and this is perpendicular. I hope you might have understood this one. Come on, say. Till here, is it okay or not? Fine. So after this, ABC location, just to remember. After that, what they are telling that observe the picture from a point A h meter above from water level. The angle C. Whatever point they have given, it is having some meaning. Now look here. Observe the picture from a point A h meter above the water level. Above the water level, the angle of elevation of top of Chhatri B is 45 degree. So angle A h meter above from water level This is big challenge. H
Yes,
meter above water level.
is equal to x now. Water level.
But how it is going to be?
No.
See, this is, I think H meter above water level, this is H.
Straight to A only. You mark one D now.
Amma,
Then this will be H.
hey, my eyes are only concentrating that much only. Fine. See, what they're telling H meter, observe the picture from a point A, H meter above the water level, the H meter above observe the picture from a point A, H meter above the water level. First I will crack the word, after that we will see. Okay, I'm just drawing this part just as an understanding. First our drawing was like this, now. Correct? It was A, it was C, and it was B. Done. Now we are going to crack what and all words they have given. From a point A, H meter above the water level. That means this is the water level and this is H meter. Make it parallel because water level will be same for C also. We take it as D. Okay. The angle of elevation of top of Chhatri point B is 45 degree. This is 45 degree. Then the angle of depression of its reflection in water C is 60 degree. Boss. Then if the height of Chhatri above water level is 10 meter. I rest my case. Done.
Proceed.
Yeah. Now question you have to solve. First you have to draw now. In absence of drawing, how you are going to do? In absence of drawing, how you are going to do? Here drawing we have done. The most important thing was drawing. And drawing is exactly in our brain. Now what is the content here is, okay, this is the base level. This is exactly A. From here, the top is exactly making an angle of 45 degree. From this level, the height is 10 meter and this is B. If the height of Chhatri above water level, height of Chhatri above water level means this will become 10 meter. Come on, check this one out. Yeah, I'm showing question. Just first I drew it. After that we'll do. So now look here. This section is C, and this part is coming as AB. H meter. Here it is H meter. This is 60 degree and this is 60 degree. I hope you have drawn. So now we will be solving based on that drawing. Correct? Done, done, done. Now you go for the next one. Now draw a well-labeled figure based on the above information. Done. Our drawing is okay. Find the height of the point above the water level. H only they asked. H only they asked. So you will be first drawing. Yes, we drew already. And height is coming as 17.3 as per Yashwit information. So only two questions they have given. Height they have asked. 17.3 is coming. Height came. Tough or easy question? Easy enough. Absolute. So how they have found the height? Because space was not there. So check this one out. See, listen. This only they asked now. Correct now. Yes, easy now. Just angle is also given.
Sounding deep.
Fine. Very good. Super. We'll go for next question. One evening, Kaushik was in park. Children were playing cricket. Birds were singing on nearby tree of height 80 meter. What a perception. What is perception? One evening, Kaushik was in park. Children was playing cricket. Birds were singing on tree. Height of tree is 80 meter. Ah, he observed a bird on the tree at an angle of elevation of 45 degree. Okay, so sir saw one tree and sir has seen one what you call it bird on tree. The tree was singing. Height is 80 meter. Angle of elevation is 45 degree. When a sixer was hit, the ball flew through the tree, frightening the bird to fly away. In 2 seconds, he observed the bird flying at the same height at an angle of elevation of 30 degree and the ball flying towards him at the same height at an angle of elevation of 60 degree. Okay, fine. Come on, go for the drive. See, here now 45 degrees there. In 2 seconds time, he observed that the bird flying at the same height. Same height the bird is going
80.
at an angle of elevation of 30 degree and the ball flying towards him at an angle and the ball flying towards him at the same height at an angle of elevation of 60 degree. What a story! This like story making Miss Mathematics over. I thought, oh, I am no, I am only the person who is doing this. Nice story, yeah. Means little bit time will be there. You people will start fighting.
This one.
Come on, drawing done. I understand the story. See Vishwa face. Diagram is ready. Draw and show me. Send me diagram. I want to see.
Ma'am, it's not moving, ma'am. What's it?
See, everything happened in 2 seconds. Everything happened in 2 seconds.
Ma'am, bird fly right side or left side?
Did you ask to Kaushik? Don't ask from me, please. You should ask to Kaushik. Kaushik is going to inform you.
Then two guys will be there, ma'am.
Huh?
If it flies right side, then it will be first guess, ma'am.
Huh? See, concept is very easy. You
Ma'am,
need
if
to.
you say ball is coming from inside, then bird will go opposite side only, ma'am. Then we can see.
Okay, fine. We will, nice question. Yes, we will visualize it. We'll try to understand the entire story. Okay,
This
fine.
case study.
After 10 minutes of understanding, he's telling, we will skip this tape study. I will inform your mother. Wait. That whichever question is coming tough, he's telling, we will skip the question paper. Board question paper coming tough means I skip the question paper. I came. Come on, I'll go with it. Giving up is very easy. Fighting and winning is most important. Okay, learn this. We don't have anything to lose. We'll try, at least. Visualize the entire situation. After that, you'll be able to draw. Trust me. First, understand what is the entire situation. Doing drawing is not at all a big thing. We can draw it. Fine. Now look here. One evening, Kaushik was in park. So Mr. Kaushik uncle is park. He is here. Then now full story we will make. After that, what happened? Children were playing cricket. So definitely children somewhere will be playing cricket. Bird were singing on nearby tree. So uncle is here. This is the tree, and on that tree height is 80 meter. One bird is sitting here. Okay. Now uncle is watching children playing, and same time uncle is watching tree, and there one bird is singing. Okay. He observed a bird on a tree at an angle of elevation of 45 degrees. 45 degrees. That means what is the current distance of uncle with this? 80 meter. Till here. Done. After that, see, when a sixer was hit. So maybe the children were playing somewhere. Sixer was hit. Listen. A ball flew through the tree. Here is the question. A ball flew through the tree. Through the tree means it is crossing above the tree with the same height. Understood? So now our story is the ball just hit, the ball flew through the tree. Got it? Flying away. See, frightening the bird to fly away. In 2 seconds, he observed the bird flying at the same height. So the bird is exactly flying at the same height at an angle of elevation of 30 degree, and the ball flying towards him at the same height at an angle of elevation of 60 degree.
Segment one.
This is the biggest catch here. This is the
Not ball.
but here catch in the question. In 2 seconds, he observed the bird flying at an angle at the same height at an angle of elevation of 30 degree. Got it? And the ball flying towards him.
What is getting this not
See, the ball is coming. He is watching one time the bird. See, first bird is going away, then only it is coming as 30 degree. Same height, it is exactly coming as 30 degree. Got it? And the ball flying towards him at the same height at an angle of elevation of 60 degree. So now the ball is coming towards him. That means the ball is coming with like this. Understood? Or not? Or the ball tried to go with the bird side, and it is making an angle of elevation of how much degree? 60 degree. Did you understood it? That's what we have to do, like that only, na? See, understand this one. First situation, 45 degree. After 2 seconds, the bird is exactly making 30 degree with same height. This distance is 2 seconds. Understood? Time taken to go for the bird to fly away is 2 seconds. After that, the ball is coming towards him. So definitely it will make 60 degree. Now does it make sense? Understood now? So this is exactly the story taken like that. पक्का नई स्टोरी यार, क्रिमिनल स्टोरी. Ama, go. But seriously, question was very nice. Ball flying, uncle flying, all people flying at same height. But concept was nice. After your drawing is over, shall we go for the next question, next part, solving this question? Because this is just the beginning part of the questions. Yeah, this is just the beginning part of the question. Now let's see. We have drawn it, correct now? What we have drew, listen very carefully. See, we have drawn it like uncle is here, 80 meter, 45 degree. Then bird went, here it is coming as 30 meter, same height. And then ball is coming here. This is coming as total how much degree? 60 degree. So let's see, now we are mentally ready for question. Oh, they have drawn it. Okay, our drawing is absolutely correct. Yes, I am correct. See, correct only now. I am very proud of myself. See here, the ball came here, 60 degree. Bird flew away, 80 degree. Yes. Now at what distance from now you can solve the question or not? Because the drawing was the biggest catch, we drew it. Come on. Huh? 80 meter is the distance between the man and the tree. How far did the bird fly in the mentioned time? So that means this distance you have to find. You'll be able, this is 80 meter now. This is coming as how much degree? 30 degree. So 30 degree will be equal to C. 30 degree will be equal to what? Come on, check this one out. This total distance is coming already, we got this as 80. Now this will come as X. Okay. Now here distance remains the same. So here first, this part we are going to solve 30 sine 30 degree, sorry, tan 30 degree is equal to 80 by 80 plus x. So 1 by root 3 is equal to 80 by 80 plus x. So it will become 80 plus x is equal to 80 root 3. So x is equal to 80 root 3 minus 80. X is equal to 80 root 3 minus 1. So this distance is coming as 80 root 3 minus 1. This is distance. Correct now? How far did the how far did the bird fly in mentioned time? This is the distance flied by the bird in 2 seconds. That's what. Okay. After hitting the tree, how far did the ball travel in the sky when Kaushik saw the ball? Hitting the tree, the ball is exactly flying this distance. Okay. So you need to now find this distance. This distance you have to find. Got it? So this time you have to compare this part and total distance. So here you have to take it as what? This distance is coming as total 80 na? This part is total 80. Then this part will become 80 minus 5. So you can find this one. This is seriously a very good question. Second part question also I'll be able to solve. Nothing tough is there. Nothing tough. I felt so happy drawing this. First time. Yeah, some part of the questions are really very tricky. We people have to learn to how to crack it out. Okay, it's not 10 o'clock, 10:15. We're going to wrap it till here. Okay, but solve this part better. Last part question, what they have asked. What is the speed of the bird if it is this part question, after hitting the tree, how far did the ball travel in the sky when Kaushik was? So this, in the sky, this distance and this distance will be same. Okay. So now we are going to analyze this part. Check this one out. This total distance is 80. We have find out this part is coming as y. So this is 80. So first we will find, with the help of this triangle, we will find y. Got it? So what we will write? tan 30 degree is equal to 80 by y. What is tan 30? 1 by root 3 is equal to 80 by y. So y is equal to how much beta?
60 degree.
80 root 3. Huh?
60.
Oh, 60 degree was there. Huh? So tan 60. So here it will become root 3 is equal to 80 by y. Y is equal to 80 by root 3. So y part is coming as 80 root 3 by 3. Now here y part is coming as 80 root 3 by 3. Total distance is 80. So what we will write, we have to find bg now. bg is equal to 80 minus 80 root 3 by 3. So it will become 3 8 24 240 minus 80 root 3 by 3 meter. This will become the distance. So this is exactly now. Now it is coming now. See, when we try means we'll 100% be able to solve the question. There is nothing like that we can't solve. We have to try first. We must not give up. See, that question was, I feel very proud of myself. Without knowing, we have done. Correct, no? Chalo. Today, tomorrow morning, we'll see. I think most probably tomorrow morning, 6 to 7, I'll teach. And in that part, I will be teaching you surface area and volume. Get ready. Fine. How was the session? What? Good night. Tomorrow morning also we'll have a good session. Full clear. Exam you do nicely, then it is going to be good. Bye bye. Good night.
I'm sorry.
Bye. What happened? Sometimes you can smile also. I don't like those type of people who are not smiling. Smile sometimes. Some people they have a habit not to smile. Means they did a pact with God. I will not smile. Come on, yeah. Relax. Good night. And sometimes you will see their face. No. Come on. Bye bye. Good night, everyone.